Summer has arrived, and for us cool season folks, it looks like it's gonna be a brutal one. Now, we all expect our lawns to sleep and look brown during the winter, but in the summer, we prefer it to stay green. Summer is really tough on cool season grass, but there are things that you can do to help get you through this stressful period. The first and most important thing you want to do is to water properly. Even if your lawn goes dormant, you have to keep some amount of water on it. Ideally, you want to give it 1.5 to 2 inches of water per week. If you cannot get that amount of water on the lawn, it's okay. Just get as close as you can, but expect that you may see some browning due to stress or dormancy. There's a product that can help reduce your watering needs by up to 50%, and it's called 𝐏𝐫𝐤𝐬. Here are a couple of images showing the results of 𝐏𝐫𝐤𝐬. It's a great product, and you only have to apply it every 90 days. Next, we're gonna talk about the feeding. You wanna continue to feed your lawn, but you don't wanna push growth. As you can see in this chart from the lawn care nut, summer is a time of very little growth for cool season grass, and if you push the growth, you are essentially stressing the lawn. For the summer period, it is recommended to use a fertilizer that is low in nitrogen and high in potassium. The low nitrogen will continue to feed the lawn, and the potassium will help with the disease and heat stress. If your soil is already high in potassium, then there is no need to apply additional. Now I'm moving on to lawn disease, which will be a consideration throughout the summer. Keep a close eye on your lawn and continue to apply the fungicide as needed. Apply at a preventative rate unless you have active disease, at which point you would be applying the curative rate as labeled. Remember to alternate your fungicides. Above is a video with more details on fungicides. Now let's talk a little bit about weed control. Try to avoid spraying herbicides if at all possible. If you absolutely need to use weed control in the summer, be sure to use it early in the morning or late in the evening when it's the coolest outside. Check your labels for recommended temperatures for application. Choose spot spraying over blanket spraying, and try to handpick weeds whenever possible. Above is a video with more information on the different herbicides that are available for use. Lastly, let's talk mowing. You will likely be mowing a lot less, but definitely continue to mow and keep your mower setting at the highest setting. Don't stress your lawn with things like dethatching. Save that type of work for the fall when your lawn comes out of that stressful period and is actively growing. And there you have it, my friend. The best tips I can give you for summer lawn care. Now, I wish you and myself the best of luck in getting through this stressful period and into the fall frenzy. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Until the next time, take care, my friend.